All right, welcome to Inskip Point. There's the barge. There's beautiful Fraser Island. Unfortunately, we're not going there this time, but we're up here having a quick swim before we can check into the hotel. And really looking forward to just relaxing for the weekend. So come with us, we're going to show you some pretty cool places. We're going to go up to Double Island Point, down Teewah Beach, up to the lighthouse, Ceres Creek, heaps of places. So enjoy. What do you reckon? That is Fraser right there. You can swim? I don't reckon I'm going to swim over there. Yes, there's plenty of fish here. Ah, we made it. Someone's relaxing.
I am.
Oh,
I need to find the spa.
we need to find a spa.
Yes.
Anyway, guys, we made it to our hotel room or apartment, whatever you want to call it.
I thought you had the wrong key first.
It's right there. Yeah, we got a bit of a sticky lock, and I'm trying to unlock the door and it wouldn't unlock. I rung up the real estate and said, hey, I think this is not the right key. They said, nah, it's definitely the right key. Come back, tried it, still couldn't open the door. So then I thought, oh, all right, I'll get the camera out and literally record myself not being able to open the door, put the key in, and the door opened. Go figure. Anyway, top spot. Come with me.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
Sand dunes?
Stupid fucking idea.
It's hard, but it's fun.
All right. Well, that's Carlo?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. Anyway, sand blow up the top of Rainbow Beach. I hadn't been there since I was a kid.
And I'd never been there before.
And shit else, I've never been there, and we've been to Rainbow Beach more times than we can count. So if you haven't been up here, it's pretty easy to find. And yeah, as you've just seen, it's a pretty special place. So, but word to the wise, if you got a few extra kilos, be prepared for a hard slog back up the top. But I've caught my breath now, so.
What did you call it? The mother of all sand blows?
Yeah, the mother of all sand blows. Cool thing about this one is you can get on it. So Obviously all the ones in Fraser that you've seen when we went to Fraser, you can't walk on any of those. So this one's pretty unique, the fact that we can get out there and actually have a look at it. So that's pretty cool, but obviously don't leave any rubbish there, otherwise we won't be able to walk on that one either. So don't ruin it for everyone, but that one you can still get on at the moment, so happy days.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
All right, Sunday afternoon, and we're done for the afternoon. We're just going to chill for the rest of the day. We've gone for a swim in this bad boy. We've gone for a walk down to the beach. It's about 500 meters that away. We're about 2-3 minutes out of Rainbow Beach, about 10 minutes from Inskip Point, and about 20 minutes from Double Island Point. So pretty good little spot. Tennis courts are here. This is the lap pool, and there's a beach entry pool and barbecue area. There's a spa here too somewhere. I haven't been able to find the spa yet. But anyway, stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to have a ball tomorrow. We're going to go to the beach. We're going to do some fishing. We're going to go up to Double Island Point. Probably go to Ceres Creek. Go and have a look at some sand dunes. Go and have a look at some coloured sands. There's heaps to do here. If you haven't been to Rainbow Beach, Southeast Queensland, put it on your list, because it's a really good place, and obviously the gateway to Fraser Island as well. So see you tomorrow. All right, good morning, happy Monday. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know whether you can hear that in the background, but I've just come down to the beach to just sit here and reflect for a little bit this morning before we hit the day's efforts and head up to Double Island and go for a bit of a fish. But I'll spin you around and show you what I'm looking at, because it's bloody special. How cool is that? Unbloody real. Man, I love being able to just travel and enjoy places like this. And you know, it's not too much longer and we'll be doing this full time. Traveling Australia, enjoying sites like this, beaches like this, full time with our family. So we're super grateful for, you know, all the things that have happened to make us be able to do this with the online business, with, you know, the personal development and all the things that we've implemented over the last 20 months. Just making a lifestyle change and making this a priority over everything else in our life really has paid off for us. So anyway, I'll show you a little bit more of the beach. happy Tuesday. And we are in a pretty cool little place, Ceres Creek, just outside of Rainbow. And have a look at it. Unreal little creek.
Fine.
What do you reckon?
Fine.
You fine? It is a bit fresh. Just quietly. It's a little bit cool. But it's a pretty cool little place to have a little swim. No matter how hot it is, this water is always freezing. It's like Yellow Creek on Fraser. So yeah, check it out. Put it on your list. It's actually before you get to Rainbow. So on the road coming in, just before the freshwater track, if you know where that is. There's a little tiny turn off. You can easily drive past it. But Ceres Creek, put it on your list. There's two swimming holes stuck on here. Oh, holy, it's cold. Yeah, there's two spots to go for a swim. This is the one.
Oh, God.
Oh, Mum's in.
I'm in.
Mum's in.
Lauren.
Holy dooly.
Lauren.
Young fella's not keen.
God, just getting out.
That's actually the road just there. So that's how close it is to the road. You wouldn't even know. You would drive straight past it. So anyway, I'm gonna go and have a swim. I'm gonna try and brave it.
Yeah, so?
We can't not go in if the girls are in.
Yeah, to show you, man.
Come on, let's do it.
Oh,
The camera's gonna capture the reaction. Ready?
no.
1, 2, 3.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna die. I'm going in. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you little shitbagger. Now I don't care. Come on. All right, Hara. What a spot. This is awesome. Put it on your list. It is cold, but it's so worth it.
It's a nice home. It's a nice home.
You like it?
I love this home.
Alright, for the ones that camp at Teewah Beach, they've now made it prohibited to have fires, which really sucks, to be honest. It was one of the things that we loved about this place over Fraser, but inevitably people don't do the right thing and now we can't have fires at Teewah either. It sucks, hey? So there you go. If you haven't camped here for a while, there's now new zones. There's now no fires, and there's also cameras capturing your number plate on the freshwater track to make sure you've got permits for the beach. So heads up for all of that, but there you go. Sucks. the famous rainbow staircase at Rainbow Beach. And we're about to head off. This is where you get on the beach to go down Double Island. And this is a surf beach patrolled by lifesavers. So anyway, we're all packed up and we're about to head home. Boo!
Boo.
So I hope you've enjoyed this little episode. We're going to be getting away a little bit more often as the year goes on. So stay tuned for the next one. Who knows where it'll be. Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you in the next trip. Bye.